Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Leslie and I make videos on pretty much anything I enjoy, which would be like challenges, makeup, trying to get into vlogging and so on, like motherhood stuff. But yeah, so if you guys are interested into watching any of that type of video, then don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a unboxing, first impressions type of video of the Hocus Pocus for Colourpop, or Colourpop for Hocus Pocus. Anyways, the Hocus Pocus collection that Colourpop came out with. I was excited because Hocus Pocus is my favorite movie of like throughout the whole year, pretty much. Yeah. So today I'm gonna be opening the box, and you guys, it's been here for like 5 days already and I haven't had a chance to do this video, so I've been anxiously waiting for this moment. I'm excited to finally unbox this. As you guys can see, it's not open at all, so I'm gonna open it and I will tell you guys what my first impression is on it. But yeah, I decided to get the palette and the lipsticks because I am planning on doing like a little mini series of like the sisters looks. Like I'll do like a Mary Sanderson look, and then I'll do a Sarah Sanderson and a Winifred Sanderson. So when you get the box, you pretty much comes with this, you know, typical packaging. First things first, these are like the lip duos, I'm assuming, on the backwards. There was like a lot of like, it was like controversy or something like over the name of this one, because it says I Smell Children, and with like everything that's going on with the human trafficking and like all the children and stuff, like people are kind of sensitive towards it, and I understand, but in my opinion, like this is something that comes from the movie, so it wasn't meant for that. I feel like maybe people were taking it a little bit too far with that, but to each their own. But yeah, I love this movie and I'm so excited to get them. I did get all three, even though they're all three reds. I didn't get them because they are all different too, like slightly different, but it kind of represents each sister. So with each look that I do, I'm going to be using like their color. So I'm excited for that. And the packaging is really pretty also. I've always wished that they showed the face and not just the hair. I don't know, that's just me, because in Spirit Halloween they have the pillows, but it's just the hair, and it's like, I want the face. And then the palette. I'm excited, guys. I'm on like Team No Sleep once again. I haven't slept since 1 in the morning. Okay, the packaging is nice, and this one says like Gather Round Sisters, and it tells you like the names of the, what are they called, eyeshadows. But yeah, I definitely like the packaging. I like how it has like that little, but it's like chrome mirror like type look. And then I think it's supposed to be like the book. I think that's supposed to be like the pages from the spell book. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I'm getting off from it. I'm probably opening it wrong. So okay, you open it and it's now like a cauldron. I can't pronounce that word, but it's like this, and that's what it looks like. There's a black flame candle. Wow, I already like it. Look it. So what I like about this is that it actually has the witches on there, so you know like what it's gonna be. It's not just like a simple like, okay, this represents Hocus Pocus. Like it actually has the sister, so when you open it, you're gonna see Hocus Pocus and they remind you of the movie, and you're gonna be like, oh, let's go watch it, because yeah. So anyways, these are the colors, guys, and I'm trying to give like different angles, but they are really pretty. They are colors that you can find in other palettes, of course, but in all honesty, the reason I actually got this was because it's Hocus Pocus. But I'm pretty sure I have some of these. Actually, no. I could tell you from right now, like I probably don't have these colors, like these 4. Like nothing like that. This green is beautiful. I don't know if it's picking up or not, but because of the lighting, but that's like a beautiful green. And I'm excited to do a look with that actually. So full moon is also really pretty. It's like a little creamy, like glittery color. Right off the bat, I think it's gonna be like good. I'm gonna swatch it. I'm not good with swatches, but that's full moon. I'm bad with this, guys, but I'm gonna try this Hello Salem. You can't even see it though, but it's right there. And then I'm just gonna swatch the top row right now. There's the glitter that's Brew Potion. And I'm gonna put it right next to it. So that's what that looks like. That's so freaking beautiful, and it feels so creamy. Like, yeah. And then there's On Toast. I'm gonna do it right next to this. Sorry. Wow, guys, I'm really excited to use these. And then Coven. Coven, I'm actually gonna put over here because I suck at swatching, but I'm gonna put over here. But it's also really pretty, like glittery color, and that's the top row right there. So that's what the top row looks like. Promise, next swatches I'm gonna do better. But yeah. So next I'm thinking I'm just gonna do this row like that, and then this one like that, because I'm gonna try to make enough space on my arm. But next is gonna become Little Children. Guys, at first I thought my makeup palette was dirty. But it's supposed to be like that dirty, like old paper. I was like, I got a dirty one. Is this used? But no, it's supposed to be the effect. So this one's Come Little Children. I'm gonna try to swatch it right here. You can kind of see. Sorry guys, I'm still bad with swatching. I need to get it together. And this is Tis Firm. Which I don't understand why I said Tis Firm and they chose this color, because when I said Tis Firm and then it's like Wyatt's Road, it's the road and it's dark. So I don't understand why they chose that color, but it's still a pretty color. So wow. Trying to put it up close so you guys can kind of see. And then Thackeray Binks. It's like a pretty cool. We'll put that next to this. Wow, my swatching is pretty bad. So Thackeray Binks is right here. And then Yabos. It's like that green. I'm gonna put that right next to that one. Wow, guys. I cannot wait to use this palette. I'm like already obsessing. And then I call it a bus. It's I think it's like a black. Hold on, guys. And then so the black, I noticed it's not as dark. Maybe I'm not swatching it good, but it's more like a smoky black, I guess, because it's not very pigmented. But that's what that one looks like. So that's the second row. Now I'm gonna start doing, I actually need to clean my hands, so hold on. Okay, so starting with the last row from Wench, I'm gonna go down. I did end up washing my hands. So we're gonna start with Wench. And it's like that, like little creamy. Whoa, where is it at? Oh, you can see right there. Right there. And then Night of Frolic. Oh my gosh, this one. Oh. Look at that. I'm obsessed with this one. And I don't know if that's how you swatch, but that's so pretty. That looks, guys. Oh my god, I'm excited. But yeah, you guys. Oh my gosh, these are all so pretty. They're like the perfect shades for fall. So this one's more purplish, I feel like. The one has more of a reddish tone, and this one like a brick-ish burgundy, and then the other one's like purple. So I'm running out of fingers, but I have 2 fingers left. So I'm gonna grab Bewitched, which is the green one. Awesome. So I'm gonna swatch it. I don't know if that's how you swatch. Do you swatch like that? Anyway, so I'm gonna buy. Oh my god, I read goodbye and I said I'm gonna buy. The last one is gonna be Goodbye Cruel World, which let me see my pinky. And this is like a interesting color. So that one's like, I don't know. It looks brown with like purple, but it's the last one right there. And guys, all these colors are freaking beautiful. Like, if you didn't get your hands on this, yeah. I stayed up till 4 in the morning to get this. Well, I didn't stay up for it because I was up because of my daughter, but I got it at 4 in the morning. Right when it came out, I was like, get on it. I ordered it. And I'm excited to do the looks for them. So I will be doing probably starting with Mary and then going to Winifred and then at the end Sarah. So if you guys want to see those videos, stay tuned because they will be coming. And I'll be back because I'm going to wash those so I can swatch the lipsticks. Okay guys, so next I'm doing the lipsticks. I will start with Mary's, and hers is the I Smell Children Lip Duo. And the lipstick is called Mary, and the lip pencil is called Spinster Ladies. So this one's Spinster Ladies and Mary. But yeah, I'm gonna do a swatch. So this one already looks like a dark red. It doesn't look like a bright one, but this is the color of it. I'm thinking of doing probably all the swatches so you guys can kind of see. Ooh guys, oh my gosh. Okay, I've seen this online, but seeing it in person, it has spiders on it. Like, I think you can't even see them, but they look so freaking cool. Let's see something. No, that makes it worse. Oh my god, they look so cool. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna do the lipstick right next to it. Wow. And the packaging's also really nice. I like how it has like all those like little details on it, but it's like smooth and like perfect. It does not feel cheap, it feels heavy. Okay. Anyways, this is the swatch for Mary. That's her lip duo. And guys, this felt very creamy going on my arm. Next is gonna be I Put a Spell on You lip duo, which is Winifred's lip duo. So the lipstick is called Winnie, and then this one's called Come We Fly. So I'm gonna swatch this one. I don't have. So already looking at it, this is Mary and this is Winifred. So Winifred's still even darker actually. Okay, interesting. It has like a more red tone and this one has more of a pink tone from the looks of it. And then I'm obsessed with the freaking spiders, guys. So now that I'm looking at it better, it has like a red but orangey undertone, I feel. You guys see the difference? If you guys can't in person, you actually can tell a difference, but I think the camera's picking it up. But yeah. So that's Winifred, or Winnie. Then Sarah's is the I Am Beautiful Lip Duo, and the lipstick's called Sarah, and the lip pencil's called Lucky Rat Tail. And this one's burgundy, pretty much. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah, it's a very dark red. And then I really do like it. And that's Sarah and her lip pencil. And they match, guys. The colors match pretty good with the things. So I know I'm not the best at swatching, but I like how it has like the ombre effect at the end. But those are the lipsticks. So it's Mary. So okay, Mary has like more red, like pink tone, and hers has more like of a brick red, with like a little orangey undertone. And then this one's like definitely like more like a purple red. I like all of them, honestly. But anyways, I'm excited, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the swatches. First impressions was they're freaking amazing. I love the packaging. I love how they don't feel cheap. I love how the lip pencils glide on, and so do the lipsticks. The eyeshadows seem pretty smooth as well. Like the way I swatched them, I feel like they just glided on my my arm. And guys, the colors are freaking beautiful. Of course, if you feel like you guys have similar colors like this, don't buy it. But if you don't, definitely recommend this palette. I recommend it regardless, because it's Hocus Pocus and it's a collection, so it's not like you're gonna have this actual packaging. So yeah, guys, if you missed out on it, I don't know if they restocked or not, or if they're restocking, I don't know. But I know when I got it, it was sold out on Colourpop.com or online, something like that. But then they're gonna have it at Ulta and in store and online. But yeah, I don't know if they're still, I know that they sold out, because when I went back to check, they were sold out. So I was lucky to get these. But yeah, so I kind of just got what I wanted right away, because I'm like, I don't want to get extra, because I know they have the glitters, but I'm like, do I really want the glitters? Do I not want the glitters? I don't know. So I ended up deciding just to get the palette and the lip duos, and I'm not freaking mad that I freaking got them, because honestly, like, they're all really pretty and the palette's nice. And I'm excited to do the freaking Hocus Pocus series of makeups. Like, I feel like it's gonna be kind of like what fits them, like what kind of like describes like their type of makeup, like what they look like, but also more like kind of modernized, I guess. Like if they were in the times from now, like type of makeup look, you know, not like cartoon or like movie, like, you know, I don't know. I'll see what I work out, but I'm excited to actually do this. That's why I got the lipsticks, because I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna do this, like, I'm gonna get the colors and I'm gonna get the lipsticks to go with it. And so yeah, I didn't get the lashes because honestly, like, I'm very picky with lashes, and wasn't sure if I was gonna like them. So I'm like, why get lashes that you're not even sure you're gonna like? So they didn't seem all that to me. Also, like, I don't know, they didn't catch my attention, so I didn't get them. So I also wanted to add on that on the packaging they have the broom, the mop, and the vacuum. And so I thought it was pretty neat that they added that. So it's another way of you knowing whose is whose, because if you know Hocus Pocus, you'll know which one belongs to which. And yeah, so I thought it was pretty cool, little extra thing that they added on. So I feel like the packaging definitely represents Hocus Pocus. Yeah, I hope you guys liked my unboxing, first impressions, and swatches. I will be doing the looks like I said, and if you want to see those, then stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. So press your post notification button, bell thing on, so that when they do come out, you guys get to see them right away. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I used to subscribe, but yeah. Yeah, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.